people in the world.
That's what you think. But it did not benefit you, dumbass.
Damn, we're not dumb. Let me educate you about Jarir.
Go ahead.
Jarir people came to my country 1960, and they came to my country to dig or to work. Only work.
You are lying. Those people are part of your country. They did not come to your country 60 years ago. Okay? Somalia is a country.
Because they came for a work. Jarir people, they call it Bantu.
Bantu. That's why you are discriminating them. You're calling them Jarede or Bantu. Now you are Somali light skin. You think because of you are light skin, you are the original founders of Somalia. So the other Somali.
We're not claiming white. We're not claiming Arab. We're not claiming black. We are not claiming nobody. We are better people. We are special people. We are better people. You already know. Don't get jealous. Somalia is the number one to send people.
Are you kidding me?
We will call them.
You are not black. You are not Arab. You are not white. So what are you? Can you tell me?
Animals.
You know. Let me tell you. You say you are not Arab. You are not black. You are not white. So what are you? Can you educate me here, dumbass bitch?
It's special. It's special. Don't get jealous.
Special what? What are you special? What?
Who used to control the world? Who used to control the world, bro?
What?
Who used to control the world? We. And we will do it again.
Oh, are you trying to tell me?